All right, welcome today to our Peyton floor plan here in Bixby Meadows. Now there's three really cool things that I want to share with you about this home that you might not even recognize if you walk through it on your own. And then I want to tell you about a way that you can save $100,000 in payments with the current incentive we have. Stay tuned till the end and I'm going to give you all the details. Feature number one on this Peyton is this amazing grand great room. Look at how high the ceiling is. You've got this huge bank of windows on the back for great light. This home is sure to please if you like to entertain. The second feature I wanted to point out to you on the Peyton is this really cool flex room here at the front of the home. Right when you walk in, it's off to your right-hand side. It's got a vaulted ceiling. It's a space that's really meant for a second living room. Could be used for a lot of different things. You could make it into your kids' playroom. You could make it into a study. You could make it into a home theater. But you have a second entertaining space right here on the first floor. All right, the third feature I wanted to point out to you, although it should be to tell you about the half-acre home site that this sits on, is not the half-acre home site, but it is the snooze button design master suite. What's so cool about these snooze button designs is that if one of you wakes up at a different time than the other in the morning, you know, instead of having to walk back and forth through the master bedroom, you know, trying to get your stuff out of the closet, the stuff from the bathroom, and then going back out to the rest of the home, the cool thing on this is that one of you can stay sleeping while the other one goes into the master bathroom this way. You can close the door and then you can go to the closet and you can go on out to the laundry, and from the laundry get out to the garage without ever walking back through the master bedroom, which allows you to have peace and quiet and not have the light shining in here while the other person gets to sleep in. So that's why we call it the snooze button design. All right, and last but not least, I wanted to tell you about the best incentive in the 35+ year history of Shaw Homes that we're offering right now on this home. Right now, you get a $30,000 incentive, and what we can do with that is if you're paying cash, we'll take it off the price of the home. If you're gonna finance, we can use it to pay your closing costs, or even better, to buy down your interest rate. Now what's great about that is we buy down your interest rate for the entire life of the loan, not just one of these introductory rate buy downs for the first year like a lot of builders are doing, but this would be for the 30-year fixed rate history of the entire mortgage that you have on this home. You can buy the rate down so far that what's going to happen is your payment will be that of a home that's priced $100,000 less than this home. We are talking hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month in savings. It'll be that of a home that's $100,000 less than this one. That is an amazing deal. So call us today and let's get you into this or any one of our other move-in ready homes.